Hello students, let us continue with the second question. In your previous video, we have discussed 5 marks questions on the topic determinant. In that, the second question is solve the linear system of equation by using matrix method. X plus y plus z is equal to 6, y plus 3z is equal to 11, x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0 is there. So first we have to write this system of equation in the form of ax plus b ax is equal to b. The solution of linear system of equation is nothing but we have to find the unknown variable, that is x, y, z. We have to find this variable. First we have to write a is nothing but the coefficient of x, y, z. We have to write in the matrices form. The x is nothing but the unknown variables, we have to write in the column wise. The b is nothing but the RHS value, we have to write, that is also in the form of what, column wise. So first we have to write A matrices. A matrices, the coefficient is 1, 1, 1. See here, x is not here. Y plus 3z is equal to 11 is there. Yes, it means y coefficient is 1, 3 coefficient is 3. But x is what here? 0. Similarly, in the third equation, x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0 is there. We have to write 1 minus 2 plus 1. This is your A. X is nothing but the unknown variable. How many? X, y, z is there. The next b is nothing but the RHS value, that is 6, 11, 0. Constant values it is. Okay, then we have to find these unknown values. Before we begin with this, first we have to find the A inverse. A inverse. Then see here, the AX is equal to B. We have to find this, means this goes to RHS part, it becomes what now? A inverse into B. Okay, so first we have to find the inverse of A. Okay, then multiply with that matrix B, then you will get what? X. Okay, so the inverse, when the inverse is exist, if the determinant of this particular matrix is not equal to 0, that is nothing but non-singular matrix. If the given matrix is non-singular matrix, then your inverse is exist. Yes, first we have to check whether the given matrix is what? Non-singular or not. The non-singular not means determinant of A. See here, A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 1 minus 2, 1 is there. You all know that how to find the determinant of A. Yes, first row, first column, what is there here? A1, 1, 1 is there. Then we have to put 1. The next, first row, first column, if you left these two, then remaining values is what? 1, 3 minus 2, 1. We have to determinant these matrices. Then you will get what? The cross multiplication, 1 into 1, 1, the minus sign, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, minus into minus, plus 6. Then we have to put alternative sign, that is negative. Then first row, second column means what is there? 1 is there. The next 0, 3, 1, 1 is there. We have to determinant the matrix 0, 3, 1, 1. You will get 0 minus 3, then plus 1 as it is. The first row, third column, you will get what? 0, 1, 1 minus 2. If you cross multiply this, minus 2 into 0, you will get 0 here, minus as it is, 1 into 1, 1. Then finally you got 1 into 1 plus 1, 7, minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3, plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Then 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. The determinant of A you got here plus 9, that is nothing but this is not equal to 0. It means A is non-singular matrix if A inverse is exist. Okay, A is non-singular matrix means what? A inverse is exist. The A inverse means we have to find first cofactor of matrix. Cofactor of matrix is nothing but, see here, directly in the matrices form. See here, the first element is nothing but the determinant of the, if you remove the first row and first column, you will get this matrices. That is only, first we have to put alternative sign, remember this one, plus, then you will get what here, first row first column, the 1 3 minus 2 1. The similarly in the second element of the cofactor matrix, we have to put the alternative sign. If it is here it is plus means we have to put here negative sign. The negative, the second element is nothing but A12. A12 means we have to remove the first row second column. You will get what here, the remaining elements 0 3 1 and 1. 0 3 1 and 1. Similarly you have to put alternative sign, plus minus plus. This is nothing but A13 means first row third column. The remaining elements is what, 0 1 1 minus 2. Yes, next similarly A21 is nothing but the second row first column. Then plus minus plus is there, we have to put here negative sign. Next, the remaining values is what, second row first column means 1 1 minus 2 and similarly these values is nothing but A22 means second row second column. The remaining elements is what, second row ಮತ್ತು second column ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿತಾವ್ರಿ, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ alternative sign is what, now plus ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್, second row third column. Second row third column means you will get 1 1 and 1 minus 2, 1 1 and 1 minus 2. Okay, next is plus, okay, plus A13. A31 value means third row first column you will get 1 1 1 3, negative sign. This is nothing but third row second column you will get 1 1 0 3 1 1. Put the positive value, then you will get what, third row third column 1 1 0 1. Remember here the matrix means we have to put all the elements in the square box. Okay, the determinants mean only a two straight line. ನೀವು ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಟೋಟಲಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಈ ರೀತಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಸಸ್, ಸಾರಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಸಿಸ್ ಥರ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ this all determinants, all elements. You will get the values of the matrix, that is nothing but the cofactor elements. Okay, if you solve this you will get, see here, the first is nothing but what, cross multiplication. You all know that 1 into 1 1, then again we have to put the next minus sign, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, the minus into minus plus 6, 1 plus 6 you will get what, 7. Similarly you have to calculate second element third element up to A33. Then you got the cofactor matrix is 7 3 minus 1 3 minus 3 0 3 2 minus 3 1. Then using this cofactor matrices we have to find the adjoint of matrix of A. Adjoint of matrix is nothing but the transpose transpose of cofactor matrix. Transpose means interchanging the row to column, column to row. The 731 is here, we have to put these values in column. Here minus 303, 2 minus 3 1. You got the adjoint of matrix is what? This. Then using this we have to find what? A inverse. A inverse is nothing but what? A inverse is 1 divided by determinant of A adjoint of A, that is 7 minus 3 2 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 1. So A inverse is what? Determinant of A is you got 9. This is your A inverse. Okay, next using this your system of linear equation, we can reduce that Ax is equal to B, the x is equal to what? The formula A inverse into B. A inverse just now we got, that is 1 by 9, 7 minus 3 2, 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 1. Next B is nothing but, yes, RHS value, that is 9 6 11 0. If you solve this one, means we have to, this thing is as it, 1 by 9 is as it is, and multiply these two. You all know that how to multiply two matrices. 7 into 6 is there. 7 into 6 means you will get what? 42. Okay, then we have to put addition, then minus 3 into 11, you got minus 33, that is nothing but minus 33. Next 2 into 0, you will get 0. Then similarly 3 into 6 18, 0 into 11 0, minus 3 into 0 0. Okay, next third row, this column you will get minus 1 into 6 minus 6 plus 33 plus 0. You got 1 by 9. Yes, these are matrix. Okay, 42 minus 33 means you will get 9. 18 plus 0 means 18, and this is nothing but the minus 6 plus 33, you will get 27. Okay, if you saw 1 by 9, take it inside, you will get 9 by 9 means, if you took this 1 by 9 to inside, every elements can divided by what? 9. Then 9 by 9 you will get 1. 18 by 9 you will get 2. 27 by 9 you will get what? 27 by 9 you will get 3. It is nothing but x value. X means what here? The capital X is nothing but what? Small x, y, z. That is nothing but 1 2 3. The small x is 1, y is 2, z is equal to 3. This is the solution of the linear system of equation. Yes, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 5 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ್ರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವರ್ಟೈಸಸ್ ಆಟ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ triangle with vertices at the points 1, 0, 6, 0, 4, 3 is given by the relation delta is equal to, yes, remember this formula. The delta is equal to half x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, and here 1 1 1. when they give in the form of x1 y1, if the 3 points are x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y, all the first element is become the first column of the determinant, all the second element is become the second column, then the third column is always 1 1 1. Then if you remember this formula, you can easily solve this. Delta is equal to half x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1. Then here x1 is nothing but 1, x2 is 6, x3 is 4. Just put these values. You will get, you have to put always the determinant, means we have to put this straight line. Square box ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ದಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, put the values 1 6 4 0 0 3 1 1 1. Just determine this matrix, that is determinant of 3 cross 3 order. See here, you know that how to determine this. First element, leave the first one, first column, you will get 0 1 1 3 1. Determinant this 0 into 1 0 minus 3 into 1 3. Next is alternative sign minus the first row, second column, if you left the 6 into 1 6 minus 4 into 1 4. Next we have to put plus sign, first row, third column. Then the remaining elements we have to find the determinant. 6 0 4 3 0, cross multiplication 6 into 3, you will get 18 minus into 0. Yes, solve this, you will get the area of the triangle. 0 into minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Next minus 0 is there. 0 into anything means 0, plus here 1 is there. Okay, 18 into 1 is 18. First element is 1. Next first row second column ಬಿಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ 0 ಇದೆ, 0 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಇವು 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 1/2 is there, minus 3 plus 18, you will get what? 15. Then 15/2 square units. Okay, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ವಿತ್ ವರ್ಟೈಸಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ದೆನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ